If you are looking to learn reinforcement learning from upside down and top to bottom, then I have something really cool to share with you. This GitHub repo, which you are seeing on your screen, has a wealth of information when it comes to reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning, or RL, is concerned with goal directed learning and decision making. In reinforcement learning, or RL, an agent learns from experience it gains by interacting with the environment. In supervised learning, we cannot affect the environment. So that is the difference between reinforcement learning and supervised learning. In RL, rewards are often delayed in time and the agent tries to maximize a long-term goal. For example, one may need to make seemingly suboptimal moves to reach a winning position in a game. An agent interacts with the environment via states, actions, and rewards. So this is the whole understanding around reinforcement learning problem and how it differs from supervised learning. And this is how easy it is easily described by David Silver in his this UCL course on reinforcement learning, and I cannot stress it enough that how cool this course is. I would highly suggest to go through this course if you are looking to learn about this reinforcement learning. As a sample, just allow me to show you one lecture, the first one from David Silver. If you look at this lecture, and let me make it a bit bigger, you will see that these are few of the slides, and you can skip the first few of the slides because they are mostly around lecture timing and stuff. Now, if you look here, it is telling you that which are branches of machine learning such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. And then all of these overlap in terms of machine learning. And then you can see that it is giving you in pointers that how this reinforcement learning differs from the rest of the paradigms. Like there is no supervisor, only a reward signal. Feedback is delayed. It is not instantaneous. Time really matters. And agent section affect the subsequent data it receives. And then you can simply go on and on. It is giving you examples, and then a lot of great stuff is there which you can go through. Another great thing about this GitHub repo is that it is also giving a link to this book from 2018 by Richard Sutton and Andrew Barto, where there is a comprehensive introduction into reinforcement learning. Also, this GitHub repo is really a treasure trove of deep reinforcement learning algorithms in Python, OpenAI, Gym, TensorFlow. There are exercises and solutions to accompany with these two resources, which I just showed you. So really cool. You can spend, I guess, hours and hours on this resource if you are looking to learn reinforcement learning. I hope that you would found it useful. I will drop the link in video's description. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.